Hey guys, it's Charles with Smart Home DFW. Today we're checking out the Episode Dual Voice Coil In-Ceiling Speaker. So the Episode Dual Voice Coil speaker is really cool. You may be saying to yourself right now, what the heck is a dual voice coil? Well, if you look on the back of this speaker, there are two terminal jacks for speaker connections. Both gold plated, one here and one here. That means you can get a left and a right channel stereo sound out of one speaker. Well, why is that important? Maybe you have a small room like a bathroom and you don't want a bunch of speakers up in the ceiling cluttering up the space, but you would like to have really great sound. So this one speaker acts as two speakers. That's what dual voice coil means. So you could fit this speaker in a tight space. Plus, the cone on here is polypropylene. So what that means is it's resistant to the elements of moisture and humidity. So this could be placed outside, up underneath a patio or a balcony. And you could place 2 or 4 of these to get maximum sound. So if you place 2 of these in a room, it would sound like you had 4 speakers. So that's really powerful. These will take some speaker wire to go to. 16 gauge 4 conductor wire is recommended, and that will run back to some sort of amp, whether that's a streaming amp or whatever type of amp that you want in a rack or a closet. Now, of course, this is a custom install piece, and we can handle all of that for you. So if you're interested in more, you want to find out how to get some awesome sound in your house, streaming audio with dual voice coil in-ceiling speakers, hit us up at smarthomedfw.com and we would love to help you out. Even if you're trying to do a self-install and you have more questions and just need some guidance or tips, we're always here for you 24/7 at smarthomedfw.com. So thanks for checking out this speaker with me today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the little tips on dual voice coil speakers and how that could help you out in your house.